Hello guys, so this tutorial is about group by. So there is a practical way to use group by. If you can see, uh, we have three clients, so John, Christine, and Dirk. So that's the sample table, and then let's select the revenue, F9. Okay, so the ID, amount, ID, amount, ID, and then amount, ID, and then amount. So this ID is the foreign key for this table, and it's the primary key for the sample table. Okay, so here. So what we'll do is uh, we'll we'll have the sum of all the revenues by for each for each client. So how are we going to do that? So let's type select sum t1 dot amount, and then as we'll name it revenue. Then what else? Let's just for now let's just take the last name. So t2 dot last name as last name. Okay. So oops. Last name. So there. And then what else do we need? So we just need to from revenue as t1, so left join sample table as t2 on t1 dot id is equal to t2 dot id. Oops, id I should, yeah, t2 dot id. And then if we run it with just this query, you'll see that this is the output. So what we need next is to put a group by. So by group by t2.id. Then what this code will do is it will group the revenues according to the client, because the ID is unique. So press F9. So we'll see that Supsupin has 400, Tonel 600, and Tudao 575. So that's how we use group by. So thank you.